Many contractors and project managers are switching to using fused disconnects in place of main breaker panel boards. Now there is a shortage in fused disconnects, with vendors citing long lead times to the tune of several months for these products. If you need 3-phase fused disconnect switches for your electrical installation but don't want to wait months for your order, check out Larson Electronics. Our lead times for 3-phase fused disconnects range between 3 to 4 weeks, allowing you to minimize installation-related delays and prioritize timely projects as needed. We offer 3-phase fused disconnects from 30 amps to 4,000 amps, including the following. Choose from a selection of floor mount or wall mount disconnects to suit the requirements of your installation. Standard models are NEMA 3R rated for long-term durability in indoor and outdoor locations. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.